Once you push that safety button into fire, you're ready to go.
Popping the cherry, Jake. Pop.
Just don't squeeze the trigger until you're ready.
Okay.
You might want to do is keep your right foot back.
Yeah.
Kind of stabilize yourself. And now once you push that forward, you're ready to go.
Okay.
So make sure your finger's not on the trigger when you slide that forward. And then go up. Good.
Try and hit that pop can.
Well, that's a slug. That's probably the heaviest load you're going to have in this size. And remember, the stock is adjustable for your height. There is no rear sight for buckshot. You just line up out down the tube, and the ball's your target. Or you found the target. I got my hook. You guys are going, look at the side, it stays open. When you put a new clip in, it's sitting like that. Just push that button.
It'll shut.
Automatically loads itself. Big thing with this is, you don't want to point this anywhere near anyone. It will go through your car, or your truck, or anything nearby. Two-position bipod.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I can't wait to snipe that can at 200 yards. 200 yards. Down she went.
What
What'd
power
you-
you got that scope on?
You hit a pop can?
Yeah.
Nice.
4.
You can turn that on.
I could never be a sniper.
Too shaky?
Yeah.
Take a couple nice breaths.
Don't shoot
Let
until you
just a
breathe
little bit
out.
and then you can pull the trigger. You should steady yourself out. Before you can pull, you have to take the safety off, though. You need to flip that one switch. There you go. And once you pull the trigger, you're going.
Right in the shell range.
I thought it was going to
I'm
go
not
in your
sure you
sleeve.
hit, but whatever it was blew up.
It's loaded. Safety on. Safety is on.
What are you shooting at, Justin?
The silhouette. At 100.
I think you just hit it.
That was me.
Well, he fired right around you. You did, too.
I think I hit it.
Watch the silhouette. Oh, you're hitting the 50-yard one.
No, he just hit 100.
It bounced off the 50.
He just hit it again.
Now keep that. A little crazy over there.
I'm hitting it every time.
Right here.
Hey, Dan.
Oh,
Yeah.
what kick is this thing at?
You gotta
can
get
do it
Jake
one-handed
shooting
if
this
you hang
thing.
on. Okay. Yep, just push that down. I think it's easier actually to wrap your hand underneath.
This?
Now keep your thumbs lined up.
We got one
Drop
bullet
your
left of
thumb.
that.
Oh, really?
Watch that finger on the trigger.
Right
Get
here.
the safety off.
I'm going to pop the
Just
thing
kinda
off.
bring it like that, but make sure you keep away from that.
Yep.
Okay, now once you're ready, just go ahead and put your finger on the trigger and give her a squeeze. That's empty. Well, you would have had 5 in the tube, 1 in the chamber.
Right.
Ready?
But that plug's not
Yep.
there.
100 yards.
That can's gone.
There we go.
It was empty.
Yeah. Adios.
That is a little tighter.
Ready?
Yep.
That gave my ear a little ring.
Okay.
So primitive.
This is modified 12.
Not the way of the Jedi, is it?